Hi, Anthony. Thanks so much for the email. I wanted to go through, oops, let me do that. Questions 26 and 27 with you. I'll work through them and then we can talk about it today in class if you have any questions on that. So down here I can see it says select columns B through F. So I'm going to select up here B through F and change the width to the 95 pixels. So I can actually come in between any of these and change it to 95. Let's see if I can get it right on the button there. Oop. It's always hard to get it right where it needs to be. I could have input it too. There we go. So that changed all of the columns. So when you select all of the columns at one time, you can change the width to the same thing for all columns. Then it says select the range B4 through F4, so that would be this right here. And let's see, do wrap text, change the alignment to center, and then middle align. And we want to do the heading 4 style on that one. Excuse me. And then, so sorry, change the cell style of cell A11, so it's this guy, to 40% accent 1. So in my case, I have to scroll down a little bit to see accent 1, and then center the range B5 through B10. So center. So sometimes it's just, you just may need to go back and really look at what they're having you select. And then on this question here, it says change the worksheet theme color to green. So let's go to page layout. And instead of doing themes, I'm just doing the colors. And I would click on that and come down to green. There we go. And then that's it for those two questions. So take a look at this, see if it makes any sense to you, and then let's talk about it when I see you again in class, okay? Alrighty, hope this was helpful. Take care.